downfall of World Star Hip Hop. How many of y'all know what World Star Hip Hop is? Okay, so what I want to do is we're going to boycott that shit, because that shit ain't got nothing to do with my culture and hip hop. Fuck World Star Hip Hop. Don't log on to that shit, it means nothing to us. I don't see no clouds, but the acid raindrops ain't coming in. Check this out, y'all. We made a song not too long ago, like 2004. Somebody smoking weed. Yeah, but you know, we looking when the acid raindrops come through. How many of y'all like the acid raindrops? So we're gonna do like this. I like to keep it stress-free, take every day at a time and set my family's in place and let the music go on. I got my plans in charge like a major outlet. I'm riding around the country chilling in my LA Express on every street corner. The importance of having fun. If the bottles for tobacco, don't nobody carry guns. We should go find no fun and let the drums do the banging. Underneath give it them like Mr. Cooper, yo, we hanging. Under the blue sky, they say lace was small. We'll put your quarter-inch cables with all the sound that we brought. Can't get out the so for the best it never go on. But like a dad at the ball game, killing for where the sun Chuck D, y'all word out. We bugging overtime from the light to the line. Original start time. It's the double dash one, and y'all brought the ammo so we can shoot game like thugs on your sports channel. Take up the do-rag, replace it with the thinking cap. If they didn't know until the pro, should've known that. We here for one thing, and that's to remain. So it's a name. When the stress from my brain, just like acid rain drops. I let the weed take over my soul. Break back, relax one time. When the stress from my brain, just like acid rain drops. I let the music take over my soul. Kick back, relax one time. Who's that for? Orange County, give me one time, make it funky. Double that I'm on underground sound, I'm feeling lucky for the jackpot. I jack spots and filling my crates. Laid back, chilling and feeling the music relates. We all know what I'm fun. Two, hanging with my crew. Bullshitting while we sitting down, drinking on some brew. Jumping till the afternoon and turns to the moonlight. Funky tracks and nickel sacks, we sounding all night. Doing it right, no more pretending. Music make it better. Feel my crew banging the blocks, that's just a overrated. Stab those with the holes for bombs, I suppose. Honey, you gotta understand your man's got those and then I'm leaving you. So by the time I get to Phoenix, your underground hits will fiend it. Musical genius, trans over by the books like bars with no hooks. So I'm mortality gas and Orange County Dennis crooks. They still loose to keep the shit alive. Just something for your troops to sit around and blah blah. Go from y'all, double and vest, the East stress. We brought the hip hop, have fun, God bless. When the stress from my brain, just like I let the weed take over my soul. Kick back. You one more time when the stress from my brain just ask. I let the weed take over my soul. Kick back, relax one time. One more time when the stress from my brain just ask.
Mary Jane is the only thing that makes the pain stop.
I let the weed take over my soul.
Body and mind. Kick back, relax.
One more time when the stress from my brain just acid rain.
Mary Jane is the only thing that makes the pain stop.
Let the weed take over your soul. Kick back. Put up. Pop collars to this, you get high to this. Orange County to this, you live your life to this. Don't drink and drive to this. With Mike and Chris, we have fun. Get live to this, you get high to this.